Hello all and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see the first problem in HackerRank in Java. But before that, please like and subscribe. This is the graphical interface of the HackerRank. We need to print our first statement in Java, the famous hello world. We need to print two things. First, the sentence hello world, and below on a new row, the hello Java. So we will write system.out.println, and inside the parenthesis, the hello world text. Now we will write the same thing, system.out.println, and inside the parenthesis, the hello Java command. We run the code, we have no errors, and then we will submit it. Thank you very much for watching.